Hey Chris, what's your favorite food to pair with beer?
Duh. Pizza.
Let's give away some pizza ovens.
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday.
Yeah, if you're new to our channel, make sure you like, subscribe. That way you can get all the notifications when new videos come out.
This is not a cooking channel. Normally, we give away homebrew supplies. Today, we're giving away pizza ovens. But first, let's talk about last month.
Yeah, so last month we gave away the mini uni. I love it. I got to brew 2 batches into it. A great little unit, awesome. Used 1 kveik and then 1 did it in our fermentation chamber. But the thing I also really loved was the pressure pack. That was really cool. I'm now using that on my brew built conical as well. So check out the pressure pack, check out the mini uni videos. Any questions you have about those, let us know.
Whew. Before we burn off all our arm hair, let's get to the winner of the mini uni.
And the winner is
Christopher C. from Attleboro, Massachusetts.
And always thanks for all the comments. We love reading them. Here's comment winner number 1.
And comment winner number 2. And now for our new segment, 2 idiots make pizza.
We're the idiots?
Italians do it better. And this month, we're giving away 2 HIZO pizza ovens.
All right, so as a pizza lover, I've always wanted to make pizza at home. I've made pizza at home in the oven a couple times, but with the HIZO, being able to get up to that temperature at 900 degrees, running off propane, also take it anywhere. I've been loving this product. What do you think, Chris?
Making the Neapolitan style at those high temperatures is amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it knocks it out quick too, like 60 seconds, depending on the size of the pie. You're in and out quick.
We've had pizza party with multiple kids. Friends of kids coming over. Talk about awesome, because if you had to go in the oven and wait 20 minutes for your pizza to be done, they're yelling at each other who gets to go first, blah, blah, blah. About 1.5 minutes, I would guess, each one, and they're done.
Everybody likes different toppings, so being able to like, hey, my pie's got this, and it's just fun to have the family together, kind of, you know, picking out your different pies and throwing them on in the oven.
I never have to eat pineapple on my pizza ever again.
Right.
So these things are super easy. Basically, if you have a propane tank, you just thread it in there. You turn this on. It might take 10 seconds to prime. You get the gas going. You just twist this, lights up, and heats. And what I let mine go about 30 minutes while then we prep to make the pizzas themselves. So it's nice and hot. There's a thermometer over here, tells you about where you are. I like to use an infrared on the stone. You really know what you're at. And 800, 900, somewhere around there, they cook quick.
Yeah, that's great advice. Let it go for a while, because that ceramic takes a little while to heat up, and then that's gonna fully cook your pie.
And you can just let these things run about a half hour, they're self-cleaning. All right, we're in football season, and we're coming up on the holidays. These things make a fantastic gift. So if you have someone who's hard to buy for, but yet loves food, and better yet, loves pizza, they're gonna love this thing.
Yeah, the price point on these things is amazing, and I could definitely, haven't made a ton of pies in here, I vouch for it. Italian approved. All right, so we're gonna have a video coming out next month where we're gonna make some pizza. You can see how we use these and make some pizza. 2 crazy guys making pizza.
So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday.
And always, there's a special secret deal below the fold down there. Last month was 20% off beer yeast, and a lot of you guys take advantage of it. So make sure you check out this month and take advantage of that deal.
As always, we'll choose a few comments randomly below and give you gift cards.
But let us know what style of pizza you like in the comments. Tell us what style of pizza you like. You like the Detroit, you like the Chicago, the lasagna style. I wanna hear. Let's hear what kind of pizza everybody's into. All right, it's time to take Grandma DeLucci's recipe for a spin.
Mamma mia!